Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and I just got myself one of these foam cannons. It's pretty cool. I have two cars I wash. I also have other cars I wash too. So I just got myself a pressure washer, and I want to try out foam cannon. So it is really fun. So this is a pretty straightforward foam cannon. It's just a bottle. It has a foam cannon, like nozzle thing, and it's very easy to use. So it also comes with 5 extra nozzles, I guess, if you want to rinse your car or for different angles. But the main thing is this bottle and the foam cannon thing. So it comes with instructions, a tube, as well as that nozzle. Now it has a little thing that adds, it has a quick connect, so you could quickly connect it to your pressure washers, which is pretty cool. That's very convenient. The controls are very simple. There is a dial in the front that changes if it goes a straight stream or a fan stream. For the top controls, there's a big minus and a plus that adds how much water you are putting into the cannon. So have it all the way to the minus part for the most foam. Now I'm gonna go ahead and attach that little hose that goes into the bottle and put it in. Now this bottle holds 1,000 milliliters, but the midway point is 500 milliliters. Now the type and amount of soap you're supposed to put depends on your soap. So you should probably either read the instructions or wing it at this point. And I winged it with my general car wash solution. So it also comes with the 5 different nozzle heads of different degrees and stuff. They're the exact same as the one that came with my pressure washer. So it's a good for a spare if you needed a spare things, but those things really don't go bad. They won't rust or anything, I don't think. But anyways, I've been using Meguiar's washing wax for the longest time, so I have plenty of this stuff. So I basically put about up to the first line on the bottle, which is around 100 milliliters or roughly 3.5 ounces. And I found out that was actually a very good mixture for this Meguiar's washing wax. About 3.5 ounces to about, I think, 700 or so milliliters of water. So roughly I put the first line, the 100 milliliters of solution, roughly 3 ounces. And then I just fill it up with water to like around the 700 or 800 milliliter mark, or roughly 2/3 or so of the bottle, because it starts foaming up on the top anyways. So that's really all I need to do. I'm just going to shake up that bottle and make sure it's mixed around. But that's it. That's pretty much a little more than one car. So I usually take, it causes a lot of foam with this mixture. You could put a little bit more soap if you want to make it even foamier. But I noticed that that's pretty much the best one after doing 2 cars. You know, about 100 milliliters to about of Meguiar's washing wax to about 700. It might be different from your other car washing solutions, or if it's a specific foaming solution. Of course, after you're done with the car wash, definitely rinse everything out with water by running water through the pressure washer and that foaming cannon. So that's it. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.